This video, I'm going to show you how you can bookmark messages or save them for later in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so Slack doesn't provide a way to bookmark messages. However, it gives you an opportunity to save your message, to view later, or to read later. I'd like to go ahead and save this message or this file that was sent by one of the group members to later. To do that, just hover over the message, and here is the message. And now head towards the end and you'll see this more actions option. If you tap on it, we have this option to save for later. So if you tap on it, now your message will have been saved for later, and you can see by this simple saved to later. So each and every time, if you have so many messages and you like to go ahead and retrieve this, just head over to this later file, and if you tap on it, it will open all the files or all the messages that you saved to later. And if you open it, now you can see it will take you direct to the saved letter message. So that's how you can bookmark or save messages to view them later in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.